name is Chayan Kashyap. I am studying 7th class. Sai Ganesh, I am studying 7th Olympiad. My model name is Quizboard. Left side is questions and right side is answers. Left side screws. Which answer is correct? Light is glow. See. The right answer is light glow and wrong answer is not glowing. I am asking the one question. A plus B square.